Now that you have learned how to create a lesson, now you will create an announcement. Once again, you will click on the create feature at the top of your screen. You're going to click on announcement, and there you will title your announcement, add your audience on who you're sending it to, such as a student, parent, or both. And then you will type in your announcement and submit. You have an option to add an image or a file to send as well. And then you will be able to click submit, and I will do that for you now. So for your title, I'm going to title it for class tomorrow. For my audience, I'm actually going to be sending it to both students and parents. For my class sections, it's actually going to be for my physics class. And my announcement is tomorrow we have a activity that will need marbles. Please make sure to bring some if you have not bought them yet. I saw some at the dollar store. Bye. And then I can add a picture if I need, or a file, and then in the end I just click submit. And there is my announcement, and any announcement that I have sent to parents. And so everything will be stored right there to send.